Hello, this is the unofficial ScanNCut UK blog. I'm recording this video to demonstrate how the CM series machines can open a fonts file from USB and how they can draw single line calligraphy fonts without any problems. Okay, so in order to show you, you're going to need your CM series machine, your universal pen holder and a calligraphy pen. Okay, so I've bought this set of 12 calligraphy pens from Amazon for £15, and I'm going to let you into a secret. These are the same pens that come in the Brother Calligraphy Kit. Okay, they're just obviously not branded Brother, they're branded Kuretake, and they come in a fantastic range of colours. As you can see, there's a real rainbow going on here, and these were £15 for the 12 with free shipping from Amazon. Okay, now I also have a couple of other calligraphy pens. We have the metallic version, we have an embossing version for your heat embossing, and we have a wider nibbed version. Okay, so these ones are double-ended. They have one 2mm end and one 3.5mm end, and the other two, the metallics and the embossing, are the same. But this SIG memory system calligraphy pen is slightly different in that it has a 2mm and a 5mm. Okay, so these pens are different because they don't have a bullet tip, they have a chisel tip. Okay, so they're designed for drawing calligraphy. Okay, so let's answer the first part of our question, whether the CM series can open a font file. And as I said, it can. I'm going to show you how that's done. We're going to go to Pattern, Save Data, and I've already saved a special font file onto a USB. And I've got my USB inserted into my ScanNCut. So if we go to the USB, as you can see here, here is my special font, and you can see it's highlighted in yellow. Now, as you can see, it says OXO, and there's a reason for that. And that when you open it, you only have the letters O and X. Okay, and I'm going to show you what this does. So I think I'll make that slightly bigger. Just so you can clearly see what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have my universal pen holder and my calligraphy pen. Now, if you look at the pen face on, you have the wide side of the nib, and side on it's very slim and thin. Okay, so you want to insert the thinnest part of the nib straight down into your universal pen holder. So you want the thinnest part of the nib matching this line here. Okay, and all you do is you just turn it until the thinnest point of the nib roughly aims at this area, this corner here. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And then we're just going to set the pen as normal. Okay, so now we're all set up and we're going to give it a go. So as you can see, we open the font file without a problem. Okay, now let's have a look at our results. As you can see, we have a slight imperfection here, but basically it's done a good job. And the reason there's a slight imperfection is that the angle of the pen just needs to be adjusted slightly. But as you can see, we have the thin line and the thick line, and the thinner part of the O and the wider part of the O. Okay, so the CM series is capable of using the calligraphy pen, and as you can see, we're just using a universal pen holder, nothing special. So all we're going to do is put the pen back into the holder and just adjust the angle slightly. Okay, it's as simple as that. It really is. And then we'll see how this goes. So we'll just move that down slightly. Okay, my mat's lost its stick a little bit, but that's fine. So as you can see, just a little bit of adjustment. Now we have a perfect, absolutely perfect calligraphy line going on there. Okay, so yes, it can draw calligraphy style single line fonts. Okay, so I've demonstrated it opening a font from file. So let's actually draw something out. So I'm just going to quickly put another piece of paper onto the mat. On my scraper. And we're going to try one of the other finer nibs pens, just so you can see what the effect is like. Okay. So we'll just reload the mat. Just make sure you can see clearly. I'm going to load up the pattern that I created earlier. Okay, and I'm just going to group it all and just make sure that I'm going to be able to draw it in the space I've got. So yes, I will. Okay, so let's just choose a pen, a coloured pen. We're going to choose one from our colours pack now, our £15 pack from Amazon. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with the 2mm end nib. Okay, so we've got our universal pen holder again, and we just drop it in. Actually, what I'm going to do first, and I really highly recommend this, because these are obviously fibre tip pens, in between your change of pen, just make sure you clean the bottom of your universal pen holder so you don't contaminate your next pen with the previous colour. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to make sure the edge of the nib is lined up with this line here, and we're just going to turn the edge of the nib so it aligns itself with this corner roughly. Tighten the universal pen holder and let's give it a go. Just make sure that's tight. That's not tight, so I just want to make sure it's actually tight enough. I'm just going to turn it to the side. No, it's still not tight enough. These things happen. I really don't like this spring system on the universal pen holder. The pen holder from 3D from Prints, which just a screw up system, is much easier to use, much easier. As you can see, it springs just. Okay. Let's give that a go and see how it is. Okay, so this is going to take a few minutes. But it's really, really simple to do. And if you think about it, when you do calligraphy by hand, your hand can't judge a precise angle. So, you know, your angle of the pen hasn't got to be precise. So you just stick it in a universal pen holder, roughly line it up, and away you go. No special equipment required, no special pen holder required. Just a good old universal pen holder, which I absolutely love. Right, what colour? We're doing a bit of different colours as well. So what colour should we have after this? Now this is a really, really nice blue. I'll just show you. This one, this is lovely. Cobalt blue, it's beautiful. So we'll try this one in a minute. Just so you can see, I'm not doing any trickery or anything. Okay, so I'm going to add links in the description box below to the pens I've used in this video. So you know which ones to look for when you're out and about or online. But as you can see, there's no reason why the CM series can't draw calligraphy fonts or patterns. I did the same file earlier on the DX, so I will show you that when this is finished, just as a comparison. So I've got my next pen ready. Okay, so let's change the colour out. That's a really, really lovely green. In fact, there's two greens in this set. There's a lighter green, a lime green, and a darker green. So, as my font size is smaller, I'm using the 2mm nib. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing. Okay, so just lining it up. So while that's drawing, I'm just going to just give the end of my universal pen holder a whistle clean. We've got still got some beautiful colours we haven't tried yet. So maybe we'll try this sort of tomato red. In a moment. So if you've got any questions or any comments, then always drop me a line through the blog or leave a comment below. and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Okay, so just change out the pen one more time. Just do the same thing. And I'm over the moon with this. Really am. So most of us already have the universal pen holder already. Didn't adjust my angle, so I'll just do that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, then as I say, just drop me a line. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my blog, which can be found at www.scanncutuk.com, the unofficial ScanNCut UK website. Okay, so this is the CM version. As you can see, we have a perfect, and I mean perfect, calligraphy draw out. And this is the DX version. Exactly the same. Okay, so have fun drawing calligraphy on your CM series. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.